Nasty hole right near the pocket, easily done on this fine type of fabric. Gonna work our magic, strip it down inside and fix this for the customer. Stay tuned. Here we go, all fixed for the customer. Most of it's hidden underneath the flap. Let's come into it slightly there, but on this type of fabric you couldn't invisibly repair it, but the customer will be over the moon with that. Works really well, and most important, it's really durable as well, so it won't have any dramas with it ripping again. As you can see on the other side, it's just a bit of a stress point, and obviously if you catch it, they can rip, these type of fabrics. So if you've got any CP company coats, or if you've got any of these type of materials, sometimes they can be repaired. So thanks for watching. Have a great day, people. Thank you.